Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this garlic butter shrimp with cauliflower rice. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to make an easy, less than 20-minute sheet pan meal. So good and easy. And let's get to it. So we're going to start with shrimp. So this recipe has got shrimp and cauliflower rice. If you don't buy, so I like to buy this frozen cauliflower rice. It's just rice cauliflower in a bag. It's so easy. It's like $1 at the grocery store. $2 at the grocery store. And I swear it used to be $1. Anyway, I guess the onions are $1. So $2, and it's already rice cauliflower. You don't have to get, because a head of cauliflower can be like $4. So one of these is probably half a head of cauliflower. So that's why I've got 2 bags here, 12 ounces each, so 24 ounces of rice cauliflower. If you don't have that, then you can just use a head of cauliflower and rice it in a food processor. We've got 2 pounds of shrimp, large shrimp that have been peeled and deveined. I've got a half a cup of salted melted butter. We're just gonna mix all this stuff together in a bowl. And then we're gonna dump it onto our sheet pan. Like I said, this is garlic butter, so we need lots of garlic. I've got a tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. And I'm going to season with a little bit of salt and some pepper. And I'm going to stir all this together. And then we're going to add the cauliflower rice. Lots of butter. Yum, yum, yum. Oops. So there's 1 bag. And we've already steamed these, but you don't have to. You could just let them thaw. They cook pretty fast in the oven, which is what we're going to do next. So I'm just going to stir all of these up. I think I'm going to add a little bit more salt just because of all of that cauliflower rice that's not seasoned. That is it, ready for the sheet pan. So we're just going to dump all of this out on our sheet pan. This is so easy. It's such an easy recipe. I'm going to spread it out with my spatula. We've already got our oven preheated to 400. So this is ready for the oven. We're gonna bake this for about 15 minutes. You wanna just wait and cook it for as long as it takes the shrimp to cook all of the way through, which isn't very long. 15 minutes should be plenty of time. Okay, our sheet pan shrimp and garlic butter shrimp and cauliflower rice is all ready, and look at that. Looks so good. Yum, yum, yum. So let's try a bite. I'm gonna get a piece of shrimp. Look at how good that shrimp looks. Perfectly cooked. Let's get a bite. So this is very, very good. Be sure you check out this recipe. Also, if you're on Facebook and you need a dessert recipe to go with this delicious shrimp and cauliflower rice, check out my lemon pound cake. If you go to my website, jenniferbands.com, you can search lemon pound cake. Recipe comes right up. Or if you're on YouTube, you can just click this box right here and it will take you to the video and show you how I make lemon pound cake. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.